Skiing is more than a sport. It's an experience. It's a dance with nature, a thrilling adventure that takes you to the heart of winter's beauty. The moment you strap on your skis, you enter a world where the ordinary rules of life no longer apply. Gravity becomes your ally and the mountain your playground. Imagine gliding down a snow-covered mountain. The sensation of freedom is unparalleled. Each turn you make, each slope you conquer brings a rush of adrenaline and a sense of accomplishment. The landscape unfolds before you, a pristine canvas of white, inviting you to leave your mark. The wind whips past you, carrying with it the crisp, invigorating scent of pine and snow. Your heart races, not just from the physical exertion but from the sheer joy of the descent. It's a feeling that words can scarcely capture, a blend of exhilaration and peace. The world is quiet except for the sound of your skis on the snow. It's exhilarating. Why try skiing? Because it's a chance to escape the noise and chaos of everyday life. On the slopes, it's just you and the mountain, a perfect harmony of man and nature. It's a chance to challenge yourself. Every run is a new test of your skills and courage. Whether you're navigating a challenging slope or attempting a difficult maneuver, skiing pushes you to your limits and beyond. It's a sport that demands both physical and mental strength. You'll learn new skills and push your limits. With each lesson, you gain confidence and mastery. The mountain becomes less intimidating and more of a partner in your journey. Skiing teaches you resilience, patience, and the joy of continuous improvement, but it's also about enjoying the beauty of winter. The snow-covered trees, the serene trails, the breathtaking vistas, they all contribute to the magic of skiing. It's a sport that allows you to immerse yourself in the natural world, to appreciate the quiet beauty of a winter landscape. The crisp air, the snow-dusted trees, it's truly magical. Skiing is for everyone. No matter your age or skill level, there's a place for you on the mountain. It's a sport that brings people together, creating a sense of community and shared adventure. Young or old, beginner or expert, there's a slope out there for you. Skiing is inclusive, welcoming everyone to experience its joys. It's a fantastic way to stay active and enjoy the outdoors, to bond with family and friends, and to make new connections. It's a fantastic way to stay active and enjoy the outdoors. The physical benefits are immense, from improved cardiovascular health to increased strength and flexibility. But beyond that, skiing is fun. It's a way to play in the snow, to laugh and feel alive. So why not give it a try? Whether you're looking for a new hobby, a way to stay fit, or simply an escape from the everyday, skiing has something to offer. The slopes are calling and the adventure awaits. You might just surprise yourself. The sense of accomplishment, the joy of mastering a new skill, the thrill of the descent, it's all waiting for you. So strap on those skis and discover the magic of skiing. Before you hit the slopes, you'll need the right gear. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. First, you'll need skis, boots, and poles. These are usually available for rent at ski resorts. Make sure they fit comfortably and securely. Next, dress in warm layers. Think waterproof jackets, trousers, gloves, and a hat. Goggles will protect your eyes from the sun and wind. Safety is paramount. Always wear a helmet, especially when you're just starting out. Remember, skiing can be physically demanding. Take breaks when you need them and stay hydrated. Listen to your body and don't push yourself too hard, especially at the beginning. Skiing isn't just about going downhill. There are different styles to explore. Alpine skiing is the most popular. It involves descending slopes at varying speeds, making turns, and controlling your descent. Cross-country skiing is another option. It's like hiking on skis. You glide across flat or rolling terrain, enjoying the scenery and getting a great workout. Then there's freestyle skiing for the adventurous. Think jumps, tricks, and aerial maneuvers. Don't forget snowboarding. While not technically skiing, it's a close cousin. Snowboarding offers its own thrills and challenges with a different way of gliding down the slopes. Section 4. Skiing Paradises. Where the snow is always right. The world is full of incredible ski destinations. In North America, Aspen and Vail in Colorado are legendary. Whistler Blackcomb in Canada offers stunning slopes and breathtaking views. Europe is a skier's paradise. The Alps, spanning France, Switzerland, Austria, and Italy, boast iconic resorts like Chamonix, Zermatt, and St. Moritz. For a unique experience, try skiing in Japan. Hokkaido is famous for its powder snow and hot springs. No matter your skill level or budget, there's a ski resort out there for you. Do your research, choose your adventure, and get ready for an unforgettable experience. Section 5. First time on the slopes? Here's how to start. Taking your first ski trip can be daunting, but it doesn't have to be. The excitement of hitting the slopes for the first time is unmatched, but it can also come with a fair share of nerves. The key to a successful first experience is preparation and a positive mindset. The key is to start slow and steady. Don't rush yourself. Begin with the basics and gradually build up your skills. It's important to get comfortable with the equipment and the feeling of gliding on snow. Consider taking a lesson from a qualified instructor. Professional guidance can make a world of difference. Instructors can provide personalized tips and techniques that cater to your learning pace and style. They'll teach you the basics and build your confidence. From learning how to stand properly to making your first turns, an instructor's support can be invaluable. Choose beginner-friendly slopes, often called bunny hills. These areas are designed for new skiers and have gentle inclines that are perfect for learning. These are gentle slopes perfect for practicing your balance and getting comfortable on skis. Spend ample time here before moving on to more challenging runs. Don't be afraid to fall. It's part of the learning process. Every skier, no matter how experienced, has taken a tumble or two. Embrace these moments as part of your journey. Remember, skiing is about having fun. The joy of skiing comes from the experience itself, not just the technical skills. Enjoy the fresh air, the beautiful scenery, and the thrill of trying something new. Take breaks, enjoy the scenery, and celebrate your progress. It's important to rest and recharge. Use these moments to appreciate the stunning mountain views and the progress you've made. With a little patience and perseverance, you'll be gliding down the slopes in no time. Every small step forward is a victory. Keep practicing, stay positive, and soon you'll find yourself confidently navigating the slopes. Section 6. My first time. A story of snow and triumph. I still remember my first time on skis. It was a cold winter morning, and the air was crisp and fresh. The excitement was palpable as I clumsily put on my ski boots, which felt like they weighed a ton. I could barely walk, let alone ski. I was about 8 years old, bundled up in layers that made me look like a miniature marshmallow. My parents had dressed me in so many layers that I could hardly move my arms. I felt like a tiny explorer about to embark on a grand adventure. The skis felt strange and unwieldy, and I spent more time on the ground than on my feet. Each fall was met with a puff of snow and a giggle, but then, something clicked. I began to understand the rhythm of the snow beneath my skis. I started to get my balance. It was a wobbly start, but with each attempt I felt a little more confident. The small slope that once seemed daunting now felt like a gentle invitation to glide. I managed to link a few turns together. It was a clumsy dance, but it was my dance. Each turn felt like a small victory, a step closer to mastering this new skill. The feeling of gliding down the slope, even if it was just a tiny hill, was exhilarating. The wind in my face, the snow under my skis, it was a sensation unlike any other. I felt like I was flying, even if only for a few seconds. That day I discovered the magic of skiing. It wasn't just about the sport, it was about the joy, the freedom, and the connection with nature. I felt a sense of accomplishment and pure happiness that I had never experienced before. The thrill of the descent, the rush of adrenaline as I picked up speed, it was addictive. Each run down the slope was a new adventure, a new challenge to conquer. The challenge of mastering a new skill, the determination to improve with each run, it was a journey of growth and perseverance. Every fall was a lesson, every turn a triumph. The sheer joy of being surrounded by snow-covered mountains, the beauty of the landscape, the serenity of the snow, it was a breathtaking experience. I felt a deep connection to the mountains, a sense of belonging. It's a feeling I've chased ever since. The magic of that first day on skis has stayed with me, a reminder of the joy and triumph that comes from embracing new challenges and discovering new passions. Section 7. Embrace the thrill. Skiing awaits. Skiing is more than just a sport, it's an adventure. It's a chance to connect with nature, challenge yourself, and create unforgettable memories. Whether you're carving down a black diamond run or gliding through a snowy forest, skiing offers a unique sense of freedom and exhilaration. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your gear, find your slope, and experience the magic of skiing for yourself. The mountains are calling and adventure awaits.